must-have vscode extensions for Python developers. The following are the top 5 best VS Code for Python developers to help you do your job faster. 1. Python by Microsoft. The Python extension by Microsoft is a must-have for any Python developer using VS Code. It provides a rich set of features, including IntelliSense, debugging and more. 2. Pylons. Pylons is a fast and feature-rich language server for Python that provides excellent IntelliSense capabilities. It enhances your development experience with type checking, auto-completion. 3. Python DocString Generator. Python DocString Generator is a helpful extension that automatically generates docstrings for your Python functions and methods following popular docstring conventions, such as Google, NumPy, and restructured text. 4. CodeRunner. CodeRunner is a lightweight extension that allows you to run code snippets in various languages, including Python, with just a simple click or keyboard shortcut. 5. GitLens Git Supercharged. GitLens is a powerful extension that provides Git integration right inside VS Code. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.